So in this episode of Quickbooks Point of Sales tutorial, we are going to start with the installation. So basically, Quickbooks has the trial version and also the licensed, version of Quickbooks. So let's go to this website, Plan Technologies. So on the software page, we can see that there is Quickbooks Point of Sales version 19. And I think they have the license, but we can make use of the one on the website. So let's first start by downloading the software. And you scroll down, you can also see the installation video. So we are going to give it a few seconds or minutes to download. Then it has the product number, license number, and also the validation code. So we can see everything here. Now this is going to take some time to download, so let's give it some minutes. Okay, so now we have this software downloaded, and the next step is to run the installation file. So we can double click this to execute the file. Go to the product number page. So on this page, we can fetch the product number and also the license number from the website. So let me see if I can copy and paste here. So here is the code. I can copy the product number. Let's see if it's going to work. But I don't think so. We have to type it manually. 557678. For the license number, you have to type carefully so you don't make mistakes. So 75800204 929. All right, so let's click next to move to the next step. Then we can choose only this computer because we want to install QuickBooks on this computer and we are not using multi-user. Okay, so let's click next to proceed and install. So this is supposed to take some time to get QuickBooks installed on this system. So if you need the QuickBooks full license, you can also reach out to them on their website. So you can go to the contact us page, or you can go straight to their WhatsApp. And let's wait for this to install. Okay, so you can click run to start the app. Okay, so the next step is to actually click do not update. Like, we don't want to check for updates. This is optional, so if you want to check for update, you're free to do that. But I just want to head straight to actually creating a company account to Quickbooks and setting this up. So the company name is going to be Plan Technologies. All right, so we can actually set up our receipts. So this is the receipt that prints out when we make a sale. This information that we're going to input here will print out, in our voucher when we receive items and also when we make a sale. So let's go ahead and set that up. And the address, city, and other information, you can fill them in. But for now, I'm just going to click next and done. All right, so we have a fully functional Quickbooks point of sale version 19. And in the next tutorial, we're going to talk about how to actually use this app. So like I said, if you need the full license, you can actually reach out through our website. Okay, but for now, let's move straight to the other things you can achieve with Quickbooks. See you in the next tutorial.